Okay, here's the same thing, same size tube, about the same amount of powder, maybe a little bit more here. And this time I just tamped it, put a rod in there and tamped it down pretty good. So here we go. Smoke, baby, smoke it. Oh, well, I see a lot of fire. There we go. So I'm gonna go with untamped is the way to go. Well, we'll see how it produces now. I feel untamped produced more smoke. It was faster. This is much more slow. Burns a lot longer though. So we either have a fast effect with the untamped or a slow effect with the tamped. It's still going. I think that's about it.